Hi, well, good morning and welcome to Le Havre. So, again on our North European tour, we're in the town or city of Le Havre in France. Just got off the MSC Virtuosa, so let's have a look around, see what we can find. I think the first thing to note is the cruise terminal building. It's probably the tattiest one we've seen so far, so I'll just show you that. I'll just switch the camera around. There we go. Not really state of the art, is it? It's 20 years ago they were like that, 30 years ago somewhere like that. This is, yeah, it is. It's like somewhere like Cyprus used to have an old one like this, but even theirs is fabulous now. So, Le Havre Cruise Terminal. Not what you might expect. Taxi drivers are fighting and oh, it's lovely. So as you can see, we're walking out of the port. There is a shuttle bus operated by MSC and they charge 13 euros, I think, is it? Or 11? Anyway, but for an adult, from the boat we watched the shuttles going in and out, and it took them about 5 minutes. So you think, well, it's not far to walk. In fact, you can see the town centre from the ship. It's just not the most pleasant walking area, I wouldn't say. Of course, it would make a difference if the sun was shining and you were in shorts, but it's very cold today, but very industrial. And I don't know, they might be building a new cruise terminal over there, who knows? Oh, convoy of fishing boats coming back in. Well, we might be here for some time because there's
lots coming in.
Yeah, it's like we've got us a convoy.
Must be a time that people have to bring through.
Either they've got a lot more fishing boats than us, or French are nicking all our fish.
Aye.
So, a very important tip for you if you're getting off in Le Havre, then make sure you're off and across. If you're walking into the city or getting a taxi or a bus or anything, make sure you're off way before 11 o'clock, because at 11 o'clock they open the bridge to let the fishing boats in. And you may have seen on the video a few seconds ago 1 or 2 fishing boats go through, but it isn't 1 or 2, it's loads. There's a convoy of them coming in from all directions, and then also they're going out as well. So not only have you boats coming in, you've got coming out. So whether you're in a taxi, walking, or on a bus, it took 30 minutes this morning. So between 11 and 11:30, you've no way through. So unless you actually want to see the boats come past, I would recommend that you're out off the port before about 11:15. So just before you enter the port, here's the fish market. So extremely fresh fish. Just seeing them bringing it in on the boats, which caused a bit of a delay. But yeah, fresh fish market. Fresh fruit and vegetables. Classic French post box. church. Casino and hotel. Oh yes. See, provide dog toilets. Oh no, it's fire hydrant.
No, that.
The central square, very nice with the hotel of Voyage. And again, nice modern tram system. Electric trams. And a very nice square. Obviously in the summertime they'll have more fountains going. All this up here will be fountains, I would guess. Very nice. The market. I like the fact they've got the supermarket inside the market, so you can buy your fresh local produce and do your supermarket shopping as well. Corn-fed chickens. Confectionery. Of course, for Valentine's night. Very nice. Alcohol, those, and a lovely flower shop. Yeah. So, St. Joseph's. Rather tall. Wow, that's a very tall steeple, is that? It's a long way up there.
Some steps there.
So the Cathedral of Notre Dame, but the one in Le Havre rather than the one in Paris. I think the one in Paris has been burned down according to my book of knowledge. That'll be Julie.
The roof is placed.
Yeah. Yep, I think it is. So they have cruise terminal with the old Virtuosa in the background there. She's a big girl. And the seafront area. Bit of artwork made out of containers, shipping containers. So we're going to take a walk back to the cruise boat. I think at this point we'll say that's our little tour of Le Havre. I'm sure in the summertime when all the pavement cafes are open, all the little bars and restaurants, it's a lovely place to visit. It's fine in the winter. It's things are open now in February, and yeah, not a bad little place really. So we'll call that an end, and see you on the next vlog. Thanks for watching. Bye.